I am S B Mishra, your mathematics teacher, going to start trigonometry. This is chapter 2nd of trigonometry. What is the value of sine 60, sine 30, cos 60, cos 30, tan 60, tan 30, etc. All are known to you. This table, you are already knowing this table from 10th class. Now this is the extended table. Sine 0, 0. Sine 91. After that, what will be sine 180, sine 270, sine 360. Likewise, cos 01 you know, cos 90 you know. After that, cos 180, cos 270, cos 360. So this is the new table for you. Just you can take help from this circular system. This is the sine table. Sine 0, 0. The reverse of 0 is 0. Sine 90 is 1. The reverse of 1 is minus 1. Here the cos 0 is 1. The reverse of 1 is minus 1. So in case of 0, this is 1. In case of 180, this is minus 1. In case of 90, cos 90 0. In case of cos 70, it will be 0. So the value of cos 90 and cos 70 both are 0. And cos 0 is 1. And cos 180 is minus 1. And when 360, the value will be exactly equal to the cos 0 degree. Cos 0 is equal to cos 60. Both are same after completing one round. Now likewise sine 0 is 0. Sine 180 is 0. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 180 is 0. Sine 91. And reverse of 1 in negative direction, minus 1. Sine 270 is minus 1. So on the basis of, and after that sine 360 is again sine 0. So both are same. So just see 0, 90 you know. The reverse of 0 is 0 and reverse of 1 is minus 1. After that 1 and 0 you are knowing. The reverse of 1 is minus 1. The reverse of 0 is 0. And tan, this by this, or simply you can say tan 0 is equal to 0 you know. Tan 90 is equal to infinity we know. And tan 180 is equal to 0. The reverse of 0 is 0. And after that the negative becomes minus infinity becomes minus infinity. So this is your new table to be remembered by you. Now what is sine minus 60, cos minus 60, tan minus 60? So there is a box in which the negative angles is T ratio. Sine minus theta minus sine theta, minus will come out. Cos minus theta, cos theta, minus disappeared. Tan minus theta minus tan theta, minus will come out. Likewise cosec, in case of cosec minus will come out. In case of sec, minus will disappear. In case of cot, minus will remain. So the proof of this fact will be given later on. Now these are the values you should know. Sine minus 60, minus is coming outside, so minus root 3 by 2. Cos minus 60, minus disappeared in cos, so 1 by 2. Tan minus 60, minus tan 60, minus root 3. You already know the values of this formula. You know already from class 10. Sin A plus B, sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Sin A minus B, sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. For plus use plus, for minus use minus. But all these are false. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B is never possible. Likewise all are never possible. Then cos A plus B, cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B, cos A minus B, cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. For positive, negative should be used. For negative, positive should be used. Likewise there is a formula of tan A plus B, tan A plus tan B, 1 minus tan A tan B. Likewise tan A minus B. All these formula are known to you from class 10. You must have verified this for different angles. Now there are two things how these are possible. To find sin 75 and sin 15, we use this identity. We know the formula sin A plus B, sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Put A is equal to 45, B is equal to 30, and then just see sin A 45, B 30. So sin A into cos B, cos A into sin B, put the value of 45, 30, 45, 30, and then take the LCM 2 root 2, so root 3 plus 1. So sine 75 is ready to you. This root 3 plus 1 by 2 is verified. Likewise, you can find sine 15 degree. Just see. And use this formula sin A minus B, sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. Put A is equal to 45, B is equal to 30. Put in the formula and go on simplification. This is proved. So both have been proved. These two have been proved. Now this is the what is tan 75? You know tan 75 is sin 75 by cos 75. So just now I have answered sin 75, and if needed you can calculate cos 75. This is sin 75 value is this, cos 75 is this. Cos 75 I have calculated here. The cos 75, the value, why cos 75 is this. I have calculated here. Just see, cos 75, cos A plus B, cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Put A and B 45 and 30 respectively and go on simplification. You get cos 75 is equal to this. So sin 75 by cos 75, this by this, 2 root 2 cancel. So this is the answer. Or otherwise use this formula to get direct value of sin tan 75. Tan A plus B this, put A 45, B 30 and get the value of tan 75 directly. So this again both are the same. Now cos 75 you have got. Now cos A minus B is equal to cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. In case of cos, minus becomes plus and plus becomes minus. Now put 45 and 30, you get cos 15 is equal to this. So the formula you have seen in class 10 are being used in class 11. Now tan A minus B, direct formula tan A minus B, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Put 45 and 13 and get tan 45 directly. This is the answer. Wait. Now other values of sin cos tan formula, other use of sin cos tan formula you know already from class 10. Why sin minus theta is minus sin theta? Just you are knowing sin A minus B is equal to sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. Put A0 B theta. Then sin 0 minus theta is equal to sin 0 into cos theta minus cos 0 into sin theta. Sin 0 0 into cos theta, cos 0 1 into sin theta. This becomes 0. So minus sin theta is remaining. So minus has come outside and this formula has been proved. Why minus is taken outside? The proof is ready to you. Now next formula, cos minus theta. Why the minus is disappeared? The formula for cos A minus B, cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Put A0 B theta, then cos 0 minus theta is equal to cos 0 into cos theta, sin 0 into sin theta. So cos minus theta is equal to 1 into cos theta plus 0 into sin theta. So this is cos theta. Hence cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Why tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta? Just see, why tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Tan minus theta is equal to sin minus theta by cos minus theta. So this is sin minus theta is already proved here. Sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. So minus sin theta by cos theta both have been proved earlier. So this is minus tan theta. In case of tan minus theta, minus will come outside. We can find tan minus theta by using this formula also, and putting this you can get the same. Now OA is equal to root over x square plus y square. See this figure. If x and y, this will be minus y. Now calculating OA. OA is root over x square plus y square. Let it be z. OB is minus y ka whole square plus x square. In this figure we are getting again x square plus y square. This is also z. It means the hypotenuse is never negative. Hypotenuse is always positive. Z. The square root is always positive. So this y may be minus y in downward direction. Now there is one more proof of sin minus theta. Sin minus theta is equal to, from this triangle, minus y by sin minus theta is equal to minus y by z. But from red triangle, y by z from red triangle is sin theta. So putting the value of this box, we get minus sin theta. So sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta is ready to you. Why the formula is this? Cos minus theta. Just see this step, this triangle in the bottom. Cos minus theta x by z, but x by z from upper triangle is cos theta. So minus disappeared. X by z is equal to cos theta from red triangle. Putting the value of x by z, we get cos theta. Minus disappeared. Tan minus theta from this triangle is equal to tan is equal to minus y by x. Minus y by x from upper triangle, minus is outside, y by x from upper triangle is tan theta. So this is tan theta, so minus is outside. So we are getting this box. I have already discussed about this formula, 6 formula. Now once more you have got the same. Now evaluate this. So sin this. First of all, convert this pi to degree. Multiply by 180 to remove pi, multiply by 180 by pi, 30 degree. To remove this, multiply by 180 by pi, 45. To remove again pi, multiply by 180 by pi, 60. So these are sin minus 30. Pi by 6 becomes minus 30. Pi by 4 becomes 45 minus sin. Tan pi by 3 becomes 60. After that, take out negative sign from sin and tan, but in case of cos, negative disappeared. Now simplify these values. Taking LCM, we get the final answer, this. Next. Now you know from class 10, sin 90 minus theta cos theta, cos 90 minus theta sin theta, tan 90 minus theta cot theta, and likewise this you know from class 10. Now there is a proof why sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Use this formula, sin A minus B is equal to sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to sin 90 into cos theta minus cos 90 into sin theta. Put the value sin 91 into cos theta minus cos 90 0 into sin theta. So this is cos theta proved. Now again next, cos 90 minus theta, use this formula, cos A minus B, cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. So cos 90 into cos theta plus sin 90 into sin theta. Put cos 90 is 0 into cos theta plus sin 91 into sin theta. This is sin theta. So all the proofs are coming now. Tan 90 minus theta, this sin 90 minus theta by cos 90 minus theta. Just now you have proved sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, so cot theta is ready. Now just see first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, x, y, this is x, y, z, all are positive. So all sin theta, cos theta, tan theta will be positive in first quadrant. But in second quadrant, 90 to 180, only sin is positive, y by z. Just see, sin is y by z positive, all other values will be negative. Now what are the use of all these? If you are interested to find sin 120 degree, since 120 degree lies in this quadrant, second quadrant, so the value will be positive because sin is positive here. But if you have to find the cos tan 120 degree, suppose cos not cos, tan 120 degree, since tan 120 degree in this quadrant, tan is negative, cos 120, cos is also negative, so negative values will come. What will be the negative values of come? Wait for other video. Try to like and subscribe always. So good luck, goodbye.